Do you ever feel drained, constantly fatigued, or stuck in a cycle of stress and negativity, no matter how much rest you get? In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins, whether it's from the processed food we eat, the polluted air we breathe, or the stress and negative emotions we carry with us daily. Over time, these toxins accumulate, leaving us feeling fatigued, irritable, and mentally off. It's as though no matter how much rest we get, something still feels out of balance. The question is, how do you break free from this toxic cycle? The answer lies in a simple, ancient practice: salt cleansing. Salt cleansing is a natural, time-tested solution that not only detoxifies the body but also purifies the mind and spirit. Salt has been used for centuries across many spiritual traditions, including Buddhism, for its incredible ability to detoxify both the body and mind. It not only purifies physical impurities, but also clears away the negative energy that weighs us down, blocking our path to inner peace and well-being. In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful salt cleansing methods that can help you reset your body, clear away negative energy, and restore vitality. These techniques are easy to follow, proven to work, and deeply rooted in Buddhist mindfulness practices, offering a holistic approach to healing and renewal. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to clear out the physical and emotional toxins weighing you down and start feeling energized, balanced, and recharged. Let's get started on this journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. The first method is a salt bath, a practice known for its healing properties in many cultures. In Buddhism, water symbolizes clarity and purification, while salt has long been used to cleanse away toxins and negative energy. To perform this ritual, fill your bath with warm water and add 1 to 2 cups of natural sea salt or Himalayan salt. As you soak in the water, focus on your breath and let go of any tension or stress from the day. You can recite a Buddhist mantra, such as Om Mani Padme Hum, to enhance the meditative process. This mantra is associated with compassion and spiritual cleansing. Visualize the salt absorbing all the negative energy and impurities from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and lighter. This bath not only cleanses your body, but also purifies your mind, symbolically washing away any negative attachments or thoughts. In Buddhist teachings, clinging to negative emotions or stress can block us from experiencing true inner peace. The salt bath reminds us of the importance of letting go and making room for new positive energy. The second method is a salt scrub, which combines physical exfoliation with spiritual cleansing. By using a coarse sea salt or Epsom salt scrub, you can remove dead skin cells while also symbolically shedding old emotional patterns or blockages that no longer serve you. Mix the salt with a natural oil, such as coconut or olive oil, to create a paste, and gently massage it onto your skin. Focus on areas where you feel tension or heaviness, and as you scrub, take mindful breaths to center yourself. In Buddhist philosophy, impermanence is a key teaching. Nothing is permanent, not even our physical or emotional states. The act of scrubbing serves as a reminder that it's okay to let go of the old to make space for the new. As you scrub away the old energy, you invite vitality, clarity, and a renewed sense of balance into your life. The third method is a saltwater gargle, which not only detoxifies your mouth and throat, but also helps clear blockages in the throat chakra, an energy center tied to communication and expression. In Buddhist teachings, the throat is associated with speaking the truth and expressing oneself authentically. To perform this ritual, dissolve a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds to a minute. As you gargle, you can recite a simple mantra like Om to help purify your voice and clear any energetic blockages related to fear or anxiety in communication. Afterward, spit out the water as a symbolic release of any negative energy or tension in your throat. According to Buddhist principles, right speech is one of the key elements of the Noble Eightfold Path, emphasizing the importance of truthful, kind, and mindful communication. Cleansing the throat in this way helps you align your communication with truth and compassion. The final method is the salt circle meditation, a practice that helps cleanse your energetic space while creating a protective barrier around you during meditation. In Buddhism, creating sacred spaces for meditation is essential for deepening focus and cultivating spiritual insight. To practice this, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed and sprinkle a circle of sea salt around you before sitting down for meditation. As you sit in the center of the circle, close your eyes and focus on your breath or recite a mantra of your choice. Visualize the salt forming a protective boundary, keeping out distractions and negative influences, allowing you to go deeper into your meditation. This sacred circle not only cleanses the space, but also serves as a reminder of the Buddhist teaching of mindfulness, which encourages us to remain present and free from external distractions. The salt circle meditation helps you connect with your inner peace and clarity, creating a harmonious environment for spiritual practice. As you begin to integrate these salt cleansing methods into your daily routine, you'll likely notice a significant shift, not only in your physical health, but also in your mental clarity and emotional well-being. Salt cleansing is more than just a physical detox. It's a way to clear negative energy and create space for positivity and balance in your life. By incorporating these simple rituals, you can release toxins, let go of emotional burdens, and open yourself up to greater vitality, peace, and inner harmony. Many people have experienced these powerful transformations, and you might find yourself feeling lighter, more energized, and more centered in your daily life. I encourage you to try these salt cleansing techniques and see how they impact you. After you've given them a go, please share your experiences in the comments below. Have you noticed a shift in your energy, mood, or physical health? Hearing your stories could inspire others who are on a similar path toward better health and well-being. If you're interested in exploring more ways to detoxify and revitalize your body, I recommend checking out my other video on additional detox methods that complement salt cleansing. Together, these practices can build a strong foundation for a healthier, more balanced, and harmonious life. To give you an example of how transformative these salt rituals can be, let me share a personal story. A close friend of mine had been struggling with chronic fatigue and stress for years. No matter what she tried, she always felt drained and out of balance. That's when she decided to incorporate salt cleansing into her routine. She started small, with weekly salt baths and salt scrubs. After just a few weeks, she noticed a remarkable change. Her energy levels surged, her mood improved, and she even began sleeping more peacefully. The physical benefits were obvious, but what surprised her most was the emotional and mental clarity that came along with it. It was as though the salt cleansing had not only detoxified her body, but had also helped her release long-held stress and negative energy. This experience is a testament to how simple yet powerful these methods can be. These 4 salt cleansing methods, salt baths, scrubs, gargles, and salt circle meditations, are more than just physical detox techniques. They are tools rooted in ancient Buddhist wisdom, designed to cleanse not only the body, but also the mind and spirit. By incorporating these practices into your life, you can purify your physical body while also clearing away emotional and energetic blockages that may be weighing you down. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of cleansing both the outer and inner self, as the two are interconnected. As you cleanse your physical surroundings, you create space for emotional healing and spiritual growth. After practicing any of these salt rituals, take time to reflect on how you feel, both physically and emotionally, and consider how these cleansing methods have helped restore balance and peace within you. Each of these methods works in its unique way to cleanse your body, release toxins, and remove negative energy. However, they're most powerful when performed mindfully. As Buddhist teachings remind us, our physical, emotional, and spiritual states are interconnected. By bringing intention and mindfulness into your salt cleansing practice, you're not just detoxifying your body, you're also cleansing your mind and spirit, creating a holistic sense of well-being. Remember, detoxification is about more than just physical health. It's about letting go of anything that's holding you back, whether it's toxins, stress, or negative energy, and making room for the positive, the healing, and the abundant. So, give these salt cleansing methods a try, and let me know how they've helped you feel renewed, both inside and out. Your feedback could inspire others on their path to better health and happiness. And don't forget to check out my other videos on salt cleansing to further support your wellness journey.